Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I might be selling this and this. So I'm giving away this because Harrison said he wants it. I'm selling this one. And it spins in perfect condition. Oh crap, wait. Just stand it up. Perfect condition. Look. And by the way guys, it's morning. It looks sick on camera, fam. So I'm giving away this, but you know what's happened. Boop, boop, boop. And by the way, this is how you spin it. Hold it with, oh, let me explain it like this. Get this, hold it with your middle finger and your thumb, then spin it with your finger. Look guys. Look, I'm not even spinning it with my other hand. Wait. It's going rapid. It's going rapid. Ah, small and beautiful sky. I'll try and sell that, but my mum didn't let me. And I'm selling that. My BMX and the skateboard. Them bikes over there, that stunt scooter. Look. Look at those! Wait. Silver wheels. Like, wait, let me see you. Let me show you. Silver. Oh, I'll clean that if you want to buy it. Wait, let me just... It'll just be like that little shiny part there. All of it will be so shiny, it would hurt your eyes. I'm selling that. And yeah. And by the way, guys, this is my PS4 games that I uploaded. I'm going to show you. You little
that back in the shed.
All that. Yeesh. My mum took the wallpaper off. It looks gross. I'm in Jelly's house. I nearly dropped it.
Shaquille, go put this back in the shed.
No, little baby Autumn. Oh, Biggie, he's so cute. Wait. Autumn, come on. Autumn. What the fuck?
Do you want a sandwich or toast?
What the toast. Stop. Sit there. Stop. You scared Autumn.
And you took my time back.
Okay guys, so I'll just stand it up And once I'm done, I will put all the stuff in the shed. So let's go. Here, let me stand it up. Okay guys, so let's get started. Move my BMX. Put my BMX here. Put this here. I'm not putting the jet by the way, Mom. I'm putting it here. A Diet Pepsi. Put that there. And this is when we'll clean the bike. And tip it all over everywhere. 3, 2, 1. Jesus Christ. That scared me. And guys, by the way guys, I'm taking the cups in and all the stuff that we've done. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm just getting my scooter. By the way guys, wait, let me just show you. I'm trying to make a skate park. So like, all you do is just go like this. And then you can backflip up and everything. It's such a steep ramp in real life, but it isn't on camera. Look how far I can kick this ball. Wait, let me stand it up here. Wait, I want to see if I can stand it up. Oh, I can't stand it up there. Here? I'll try stand it up here. Okay guys, so I'm going to kick the ball now. And look, I hope you can see the ball. And then so you see how far that went? Oh, I just dropped it. Wait. Hope you can see the ball from there, because I can't stand it up proper. Oh! Stand it up against the ball. Okay guys, so I hope you can see it. I'm gonna see how far the ball can kick. So let's go. Got the ball and then boom! Oh, that's terrible. Let me get that again. Because when I done it yesterday, it went flying over my roof. So let's go. That was far as hell. Heck me. So let's. Oh! That was sick. Oh my god. And I made the skate park with this thing. This speed. And who wants these who dares me to touch these nettles? Me? I dare myself. Oh my god, they don't actually sting. Oh, there's bugs on it and everything. I don't want bugs on me. I'll just yank my leg open. I don't want you to look at it. Split out the socket. My leg split out my socket. Caw, 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 caw.
What's one on your toes? I'm eating all the food. I'm not going shopping again.
This is my first meal of the day.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
What's one on your toes, Shaquille?
Just two. Butter. Good guys, so can we reach 20,000? No, not 20,000. Jeez. 5,000 likes. And yeah, bye guys.